In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to organize your website's navigation, making it both user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Squarespace account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your website and make the necessary changes. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. To proceed, click on your profile icon, which will direct you to your list of websites. Select the website you wish to modify by clicking on it, and then hit the edit button. It's important to ensure you're on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. On the left side of your editing screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Pages within this menu. This is where you'll manage all the content and structure of your site. Once here, look for the Not Linked section. This is where any pages or features not currently in your main navigation reside. Find the plus icon and give it a click. You're now about to create your drop-down menu. When you click the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options. Select Drop-down. This will create a new drop-down folder for you to customize. You'll want to give this folder an appropriate name according to the content it will hold. For our example, let's name it Events. Of course, you'll want to choose a name that best describes what your drop-down will include on your specific site. Once you've named your drop-down, it's time to incorporate it into the main navigation. Simply drag the newly created folder into the main navigation section. You'll see it appear alongside your other pages in the main navigation bar. This method ensures your visitors can easily find and access this section directly from the main menu. With your drop-down in place, let's add some pages. Click on Add Page within your new drop-down folder. You'll be prompted to select from various types of content under Collection. Choose the kind of page you wish to include in this drop-down menu. For example, if you want to add event pages, select accordingly and click it. Now, let's check your work. Navigate to your main page view mode and try clicking on the new drop-down menu you've just created in the main navigation. You should notice it now shows the pages you've added within, allowing easy access and a smooth navigation experience for your visitors. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a drop-down menu on Squarespace, enhancing both the functionality and user experience of your website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.